We have these little templates here that actually form to your eyebrow shape. And if it doesn't, there's others that don't necessarily fill in. You can just use it and spray and it won't get on the rest of your skin. But first I'm just gonna make sure that all my brows are brushed forward, brushed through. You can just see how it filled it in just on the end of my eyebrow versus this one. So I filled in the end of that one. It really completes a look. I'm really into finishing a look with eyebrows.